Hello students, welcome to our geography class. From last video we completed lesson number 11. The name was our lesson number 11, transport and communication. Now let us start our lesson number 12, tourism. The name of our lesson number 12 is tourism. What is meant by tourism? Tourism means visiting various places away from our homes for getting joy, happiness, entertainment in this way is called tourism. Dear student, imagine that you have to go on vacation with your family. Make a list of 5 favorite places in Maharashtra. After the list is prepared, put your places in the relevant classification. Here some points of classification. First is places near the sea. Then second, historical places. Third is national parks and sanctuaries. Then fourth is hill station, and last one is religious places. Select one place from each group which you would like to visit. Discuss the reason of your choice in the class. Then next point is geographical explanation. Here student, we undertake short or long journey for various purposes like festivals, family functions, fairs, sports, wandering, recreation, etc. We need to carry out some preparation before going anywhere, such as selecting the route to go there, choosing the means of transport, packing essential things, etc. When we reach the destination, we visit the exquisite and spectacular sites. Sometimes we stay there. Sometimes we stay there 1 week, 2 weeks. We make use of facilities provided over there. We also pay in lieu of those service or goods. Visiting various places away from our homes for getting joy, entertainment, trading, staying, etc. is called tourism. Here student, use your brain power. Here planning of trip. Some instruction. A trip has to be organized from your home to your favorite tourism destination. Find out the route with the help of various websites. Decide the journey route you will take. Consider factors like duration of the trip, materials required for travel. Here some materials you require in the travels, means of transport, availability of route, etc. Get the estimate travel cost per person. Then observe figure 12.1. Here student, a map of India. Observe the figure 12.1 and answer the following question. Use an atlas of reference. Here you see the map, important tourism places in India. Here some questions. Out of these, which tourist places do you know? Make a list. Here student, you observe the figure 12.1, major tourist places of India. Out of these, which tourist places do you know? Make a list. See here, Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Jaisalmer, Ajanta, Ellora, Tirupati, Rameshwar, Konkan, in this way. Then our next question is, for what the selected places famous? The answer of this question is, the selected places are famous for the following. Leh, Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, etc. famous for their natural beauty. Rameshwaram, Tirupati, Jagannath Puri is a religious places. Ajanta, Ellora, Konkan, Khajuraho is a cultural sites. Then Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Kolkata is a historical site. Then our next question is, make a list of religious and historical sites from the map. Here student, you observe the map 12.1. Make a list of religious and historical from the map. Here religious sites Tirupati, Mathura, Varanasi and Konkan, and historical sites is Dwarka, Agra, Jhansi and Jaipur. Our next question is, make a list of hill station places having sanctuaries placed along the coast. Hill station Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling. Then sanctuaries Maharashtra, Goa, the bird sanctuary, Gujarat, Indian wild sanctuary. Then places along coast, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, in this way. Student, here complete our some question answer.